Holy One.
Hello, beautiful. How
How
are
are
you?
you? Oh, I am well. I am well. Ha-
I'm good. This is since you went to the expo, everything is just exploding. Like so much is just happening, like more and more and more. And I'm so proud of you. I'm
Oh,
so happy
thank
for you.
you. Thank you so much. I'm so proud of all of us and so happy for all of us. Thank you for seeing it with me and acknowledging it because it is a trust. I never ask anybody to do anything I'm not asking of myself. When I say trust yourself, it takes trust
Right.
to step into these spaces and to show up and be them. And the light beings that came in the video with the workshop at the expo, I mean, no one can
Yeah.
say, oh, that's just in her home or, oh, that's a filter. I had no control over that video. That was made by someone else, and that was full blown light beings all over the
Oh,
place.
yeah. I see them here. I actually had a fairy show up on my patio with me. And as I
Oh,
said hello to it, it disappeared. And then
oh,
I had a orb come in front of my face, and I'm like, they're here. And then when I
yes,
seen those videos, that's my camera, that's my security system,
yes, yes. That's so
and it
cool.
was the night vision. Those squares of light. We walked out on the patio, and with our naked eye, we could not see them, but they were on the phone, looking
Yeah,
at it live. And as
yes.
I looked at it, in my mind's eye, they showed me a spaceship above my house.
Oh, I love it. I
And I was
love
like,
it.
oh. And it
Wow.
was the next day that we did the 369 portal.
Oh, yes, yes.
And as I went in, my Arcturian self greeted me and said, this was us. And I was
Ah,
like, okay.
ah, I love it. I love it. Oh, that's so
And then it
beautiful.
happened again.
Wow.
It's
Yeah.
happened another time without the lights, but just
Yeah.
all the orbs. And there was way more orbs. And I'm like, you're all welcome here.
We are,
I
we
open my
are,
home to you all.
w- we are aligning more and more, moment by moment. It's all that vibrational, incremental engagement. And the more we click in, the more we trust ourselves, the more we come from, we are the divine within the form. We are the sovereign through the hands, through the mouth, through the eyes. It's us. Uh, the more we do that, the more we shift our vibration to where we can hear and see them more because they're in that flow
Right.
state. So, yes, I love the videos. I love all that you share. Thank you so much for sharing it. Yeah.
I mean, there's not a course that you have I don't want to do. Because I resonate with it so much because I was a shaman. I
Oh,
am. I'm not gonna
yeah,
say I
yeah,
was. I
yeah,
am.
you are.
I
You are.
am. I am a
Yeah.
shaman. I am a medicine woman. Native American is in my blood. It doesn't show in my DNA, but I mean, good grief, look at my face. Just kidding. I'm shown these things. But yes, I resonate with all of it. And I'm manifesting it. I am manifesting it. The ability to be able to go and take all of your courses. But yes, I would like to be a teacher. I want to teach it. I want to show everybody because I have the people in my I have over 200 people in there, and the
Wow.
main members are like, or because I'm constantly Acasma. You got to show me how to do this, and I'm like, I'm still taking the course. Just chill. But they want it. They want it
Yes,
because they
yes.
see what it's doing. And Marty, they know Marty. So they're seeing the things that are happening. And it's miraculous things that are happening.
That's awesome. That's awesome. All right. Well, we'll talk. I'll email you and we'll get you hooked up with a new space for you to evolve into after we finish this AQE Foundations. We're probably gonna go, I think we go to mid-May and then we'll be done with that. So
Yeah,
it's
I read the thing about the one-on-one about the questions and all that for certificate. And I'm like, oh no. I'm like, I know it. I know it. I do. But I get so nervous. I'm like,
no,
oh,
there's really
there's a test.
anybody who's ever taken it, they will giggle because they all got nervous too. And then after the fact, they were like, well, that was the easiest thing I ever had to do. Like, it's just the old
Well,
program of
it's
the
kind of like
concept.
what we just did. You asked me what it is, you know.
Kind of. For a facilitator, it's a little bit more relaxed. For a teacher, there's a little bit more specifics because you have to teach it by the book so that all teachers are teaching the same thing.
Right.
But it's still open book. Like everything I ask you, I give you the layout of the answers and I ask you
Honey,
to
you
hold
got
it.
the answers in the PDF.
Yeah, and I also that's how much I believe in everyone's integrity because you can look in a book anytime and you should. You if you want to reference something that you're not positive on, I would. So why wouldn't you be able to do it on a test? For me, that never made sense. So that's just how I am. But
Right. If you want somebody to do the right thing, they're going to give them the answers.
yes,
You're going
and
to
then
help them with it.
right. And then my people know if they ever get into a space where they're not sure what to say, do, or whatever, they email me and I'm right here. And so, and then eventually we'll get to a flow where this will be so mainstream that I won't need to be doing that anymore,
Uh,
really, because there'll be so many people available that already have that understanding. So, and it's
well,
happening.
I
It's
haven't,
happening.
when I'm doing a session, I don't worry. But when it's like a test kind of thing, it's like, oh no. And I know I'm going to ace it. I know I'm fine. I don't worry about that. It's just,
I know it's just the mindset. It's an
it's the
old,
words. The thing
yeah,
is I have an issue. I know what I want to say. I know it. I mean, I know it like the back of my hand. I can just put my hands together. And also, what helps too is to know that my team has got me.
absolutely. Good for you.
My light team
Good for
has
you.
me. So if I forget
Yeah,
something, they're going
they're
to put
gonna
it
do
where it
it. Yeah,
belongs. They're
they're
going to
gonna
do
do
it.
it. Yeah,
So that's why I don't worry
good for
about that.
you. Good.
Okay,
That's
I know
that's a
where to place all the keys. I know all that. It's just like the words. I know what everything is, but it's like when I try to speak the words, they come out wrong,
well, it's
and I'm
not
like,
an
that's
it
not what I meant.
you get to do it in writing, so maybe that makes it there. You can do it on Zoom if you want, but it's an additional fee to get on Zoom and do it with because some people don't speak English as a first language that
Right.
are in our courses, so it's easier for them if they're able to talk to me because then they can ask for clarification. But I send it via email as it's a written evaluation. All levels are written unless it's specified by the client, the student to do a Zoom. So you
Well,
don't
see, there
even
you
have,
go. There you
yeah.
go. There went all that anxiety. No worries.
Good, 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 good,
Because
good.
I can tell you what, I can write stuff all day long and make it sound so beautiful. But then when I'm supposed to share, it's like, what? Uh, uh, uh.
All right. Well, no worries. It's all you can write it all day long. You've got it.
There it is. We're good. I,
That's
so,
funny. All
but
right, I've got to run, but this has been amazing. Thank you for
thank
taking the
you.
time to do it. And I know I will see you and talk to you in all the spaces of us. So,
Yeah. And I'm in Georgia, so I hope soon that I can make it to Florida and we can meet up.
oh, that would be beautiful. Yes, we'll have to have something planned out. That would be beautiful.
Yes.
All
I'm
right.
I just have so much going through my head right now. I love you.
All right. Well, email me if you have additional stuff that you want to share because I have to jump off to jump on my next space. But email me because it or write it down and we can share it again later. But don't let you know what I mean. Go ahead and
Well, no, I'm
acknowledge
just saying
it.
I could talk to you all day long. This because the cosmos is just my life. I just love it. I love all of it. So we're good.
Oh, okay. I love that too. It's my
Thank you
life as
for
well.
introducing me to it,
Thank you for
putting it into
remembering.
perspective for me,
Thank
because
you.
that's what it was.
Yeah,
I was shown to do this and I didn't know what it was. And you helped give it a name and you've helped teach me, they gave me the basics, but you taught me the keys and what to do and how to do it. And so I love you.
I love
I love
you.
you for all of it.
I love
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, beautiful one. Blessings on your family, blessings on your now. And thank you for your presence in this space.
Thank you. Bye.